Hello guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for joining me again in today's episode. I'll be showing you how to make overnight oats. There are different flavors for making overnight oats. You can use blueberries for your overnight oats or peanut butter. In this overnight oat recipe, I'm going to be showing you 6 different flavors. The first is banana overnight oat recipe. So you will need half banana. So I'm going to use the fork to mash my banana. Once my banana is completely mashed, I'm going to go in with a 1/3 cup of rolled oats, but you can use steel cut oats. And I'll go in with a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of Bonvita. You can use cocoa powder. I'll just give this a stir and then set it aside. Next is my apple cinnamon overnight oats. So to the 1/4 cup of chopped apple, I'll be adding in half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property, and this makes for a healthy overnight oat. And to it, I'm adding a 1/4 cup of rolled oats. And to it, I'm adding in just a pinch of salt. If you like, you can grate your apple, but I love mine chunky, so I'm just going to stir everything and then set it aside. For the coconut flavored overnight oats, I'm going to start by grating 2 tablespoons of coconut. And I bring the grated coconut into a bowl. And I'll also add a pinch of salt and a 1/4 cup of rolled oats. For the peanut butter overnight oats, I'm using 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter. To it, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of fruit jam. And I'm also adding a 1/4 cup of rolled oats. And I'm going to mix to ensure my peanut butter combines well. To my pineapple and strawberry flavors, I'm going to go in with a 1/3 cup of rolled oats. And to each, I'm adding a pinch of salt. The salt is optional, you don't have to add it. To each of my overnight oat flavors, I'm going in with a tablespoon of chia seeds. And to each of my bowls, I'm going in with half cup of almond milk. This makes for a good vegan overnight oat, but you can use any other type of milk that you want. And I'm going in with 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. You can use honey. I will also be adding in 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. You can use the regular yogurt if you want. And for vegan overnight oats, you can use any plant-based yogurt. And so we give this a very good stir. So once we are done mixing all our overnight oats, we transfer them into bowls, cups or jars. So guys, since we are making overnight oats, we are going to be refrigerating them overnight. Thank you. So guys, this is the morning of the next day and our overnight oats are ready. As for me, I love my peanut butter overnight oats, so I'm just going to go ahead and give this a test. You can go ahead and garnish your overnight oats with different fruits. So I'm just bringing in some of my sliced fruits. So we now have our 6 different overnight oats flavors. We have the strawberry, the banana, which I just topped with banana and some chocolate, And we have the coconut flavor, apple flavor. You can see my apple toppings here, and peanut butter overnight. You can see my peanut topping here, and finally we have the pineapple flavor. So guys, this was how to make overnight oats recipes. I hope you love my video, and I hope you try this wonderful overnight oats out. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, give me a thumbs up, and you can share my video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I'd love to see you very soon. Enjoy your overnight oats recipes.